Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M32 and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to see how fast it works and if it is reliable, if it works every time. So let's lock our device, and the first try I'm going to check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, definitely the smartphone recognizes my face, so let's make like 5 tries. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. So yeah, as you can see, it works every time. It recognizes our face really fast. Maybe it's not on the same level like Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, but it's really fast. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.